welcome back to my channel. Today I am back with another video. Today I'm going to be chatting with you guys. Today I am going to be one with you guys. I am going to be talking to you guys about what I use to do my hair. So I'm going to be talking about the 7 essentials that I use to style my hair based off of my hair type as well as my hair porosity. If you like this video, please leave a thumbs up, comment in the comment section. What I want you guys to do today is comment and tell me what your hair porosity is. And then after that, what I want you guys to do is subscribe to my channel. Hit that subscribe button as well as that post notification button so that you know whenever I post. Without any further ado, I am going to jump up into this video right now. So for those of you who are wondering, I have low porosity hair. I have type 4 low porosity hair, which means that my hair has a hard time allowing moisture into the cuticles of my strands. So that means that my hair is typically dry when not moisturized. So I have a whole regimen that I like to follow in order to get that moisture that my hair craves into my hair. And I am here today to share with you guys what I use to moisturize my low porosity hair. So I have 7 different essentials that I use to moisturize my low porosity hair. And the first essential that I like to use is a cleanser. So the cleanser that I'm going to be talking about today is bentonite clay. I like to make a bentonite clay mask to put onto my hair because it moisturizes my hair without giving my hair any type of strip. It also cleans my hair, so it cleanses my hair. It removes all the buildup that my scalp has, as well as it rejuvenates my curls, which I love. My curls literally bounce back when I use this bentonite clay mask. So to make the bentonite clay mask, it is very simple. All you need is some bentonite clay. You can find this literally at any beauty supply store and vitamin shops because they sell them there now too. You're going to need a cup of water, a cup of bentonite clay, and half a cup of apple cider vinegar. You're going to mix it together inside a mixing bowl. Then you can pour it into a nozzle or whatever you feel comfortable pouring into. You could just scoop it out of the bowl if you feel comfortable doing that. I like to pour it into a nozzle because it's more easier to apply. Then you're going to hop into the shower with the bentonite clay. You're going to part your hair into 4 sections, wet each section, and apply the bentonite clay and let it sit for about 15 minutes. Then when you're done with the bentonite clay, what you're going to do is find something to deep condition your hair. So this is the second essential that you need when you have low porosity hair. So what I like to use to deep condition my hair is the Diva Curl Melt-In Moisture, because that literally melts into my strands. Like, it makes my hair feel so nice, makes my hair feel rejuvenated, it makes it feel moisturized. I've been loving this. I actually wasn't going to buy Diva Curl products because I thought they were very expensive, and you know, I'm a natural on a budget. But when I went to one of their events a couple weeks ago, they were actually giving out products, and they gave out a full size of their Melt-In Moisture deep conditioner, and I fell in love with it. So I'm actually running out of the deep conditioner, so I'm about to go buy some. But what I do to deep condition my hair kind of ties into the third step. So what I like to do is apply the deep conditioner when I get out of the shower. I section my hair back into 4 sections, and each section I take a bottle of warm water, so a spray bottle of warm water, and I spray it, and then I distribute the deep conditioner onto my strands. Once I am done distributing the deep conditioner, what I like to do is go in with my Q Redo. So that's the third essential that I like to have when I style my hair. I use the Q Redo because it is a hair steamer, and it helps to open up the cuticles on my strands so that the moisture is penetrated onto my strands. So what I like to do is use those 2 hand in hand. So I like to basically work with 8 sections, 2 sections from the 4 that I create. So there's literally 1, 2, 3, 4, and within those 4 there's 2 sections, so there's 8 in total. And I go section by section, and I use the steamer to make sure that that deep conditioner literally melts into my hair. After that, I usually sit with my shower cap on my hair for about 30 minutes, and then when I am done, I rinse all of the deep conditioner out of my hair and I move on to styling. As of lately, what I have been doing to style my hair is twist, because I get a lot of definition and volume from twist. I've been kind of staying away from wash and goes because I feel like sometimes wash and goes makes my hair feel really dry, whereas twist makes my hair feel nice and moisturized, and it gives me the desired look. So the 4th to 6th essential that I like to use when I am doing my hair is actually a part of the LCO method, which is a liquid cream oil method. So my liquid that I like to use is the As I Am leave-in conditioner, and I use about a dime size because I don't like putting too much leave-in conditioner on top of my hair, because I noticed that when I put too much products, it literally sits on top of my hair and it leaves residue, which I hate. But to activate this product, what I like to do is spray my hair again with some warm water. So I put in my leave-in conditioner, and then I go in with the cream. The cream that I always use is my company's mango butter. So I make whipped mango goodness. That's the name of the product that I make, and it's actually a cream. It's a moisturizer to moisturize your hair. So I like to use that as an added layer after I put in my my leave-in, and to seal my hair in, what I have been using as of lately is grapeseed oil. I love grapeseed oil. It makes my hair feel nice and moisturized, as well as gives my hair a nice shine to it. After I finish the LCO method, I usually end up twisting my hair, like I said. So I did a twist out a couple of days ago, and I'm actually going to be posting my twist out tutorial in a couple of days so you guys can see like what I actually do and how I get my twist the way I get, because I don't know, a lot of people have been asking me like, what do I put in my hair? It's really simple. Like, I don't put too much stuff in my hair because my hair regimen is simple. I noticed that since I have low porosity hair, I kind of have to keep my regimen simple, and that's what I've been doing. And it's also going to help with me like retain length, because I noticed that when I started using the same products over and over and over again, my hair got used to it, which allowed it to actually like grow out. So after that, the last product that I actually want to talk about is my tangle teaser. I think this is an essential for my low porosity hair because my hair gets knotted very easily. Sometimes finger detangling isn't enough for my hair. Sometimes I need like something else to use. So using a tangle teaser works wonders. I got mine at the beauty supply store for 99 cents, and there's different variations of tangle teasers. There's like the Cream of Nature one. There's one from the Diane brand. I don't know if you guys ever seen that brand before, but there's a whole bunch of tangle teasers. I like to use that when I'm about to twist my hair. So after I do the LCO method, what I like to do is go in with my tangle teaser to make sure that all the product is distributed throughout my strands equally, and then I go in and twist my hair. So my hair regimen is very simple. I like to follow this weekly because I want to see my hair retain length, as well as I want to see that moisture being penetrated onto my strands. And that is all for my video today. If you guys have any questions, just leave them in the comments below and I will get back to you as soon as possible. If you like this video, please leave a thumbs up and comment in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Until next time, guys, peace and love always. Love you guys.